Minister wa githomo bururi-ini Julius Migos Ogamba akiaria ari mwena wa Ekerenyo county ya Nyamira hindi ya gutongoria mihango ya kuhingura igeranio cia muthia augite arutwo aria manyitekanite na mahitia ma uici wa igeranio nimekuerwo makinya maruru ma kiwatho.
Criminal prosecution where necessary. Impersonation cases will attract severe sanctions, including barring candidates from sitting KCSE until 2027.
Hindi iyo Minister Ogamba niongereire Ministry ya githomo ni kinyaneirie mitaratara mirumu ya gutigirira arutwo aria magereirwo ni kuingira grade ya kenda ni maingira hatari na thina o wothe mwaka-ini ukite.
This will enable the ministry to conduct placement of learners into senior school based on their strengths and interests in the three pathways.
Minister uyu ongereire igeranio cia JS ni irathi na mbere na kumakwo na gukinyiria tariki 11 mweri ukite muimirira ni magakorwo matangathitwo. Oho ni atariirie Ministry ya githomo ni irikitie guthurima thukuru ciothe na arutwo othe bururi-ini na riu hatari nganja thukuru ici ni igakorwo ikiamukira kigina kwambiriria tamu yukite mwaka wa 2026 kuringana na muigana wa arutwo o thukuru.
The marking of the Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment is ongoing and all efforts are being made to ensure results are released by the 11th of December 2025.
Gukoretwo na ripoti cia thukuru cia maigerera iria ikoretwo ikiamukira besha kuma kuri thirikari riri thukuru iria iri na arutwo anini itanyitwo kuhingwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Dan Chege.